Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about travel affiliate programs. I'm actually going to be showing you 6 high-paying travel affiliate programs that you can use and promote on your travel blog as soon as possible. But if you want access to all of the top paying affiliate programs in every niche that you can join online, you can go ahead and grab my affiliate programs handbook, which I'm gonna leave a link to in the description below so that you can find all of the different affiliate programs, their payout methods, and all of the good stuff. So let's get started with this video, guys. So first on my list, guys, is this website called AirBNB. Now Airbnb actually pays out $95 per sign up, and you can get paid once per month through PayPal. Now there is a sign up process, and you actually have to go ahead and apply to become an affiliate. And once you add in all of your information, your website URL and all of that good stuff, your monthly stats, how much traffic you get, they are going to go over your application, and they are going to reply you by email if you are accepted into the program. So I am going to leave a link for this website in the description below, but it's actually affiliate.withairbnb.com to be able to go ahead and apply for this particular affiliate program. So you can also search for Airbnb affiliate program on Google, and it is going to be the first result, so you can go ahead and access it to apply to join the affiliate program yourself, guys. Let's move on to the next one. So next we have Skyscanner.net. Now this is a travel affiliate program where people can go ahead and book flights. Now you get paid a 50% commission with every successful booking, and you get paid through Payoneer, direct deposit, and check as well. So ahead and sign up with this network. You can simply scroll down once you're on skyscanner.net and go all the way down to where it says affiliates, and it's going to take you to this page where you can get all of the information about the affiliate program, and you can sign up to join as soon as possible and start promoting this website on your travel blog. Now guys, one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is that to be successful with these companies and to get accepted right away, you will need to have a travel blog, or else they're not going to allow you into their affiliate programs. Next we have Booking.com, and this website actually pays you 40% commissions every month through PayPal, and you can go ahead and sign up. It's easy to sign up with this website if you have a travel blog. You can get paid by referring people to sign up to book flights, car rentals, and taxis at the airports and places for them to stay, and all of there are different options on here that you can promote on your website and start earning commissions from this website as well. So to sign up with the affiliate program, simply go to booking.com/affiliate program. You can also go ahead and search for it on Google, and you will be able to get to this page. But I'm also going to leave a link in the description below, and you can go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate with Booking.com. Next we have Kayak.com. Now this is also a website that pays you if you refer people to go ahead and book hotels, to book flights, car rental, and all of that good stuff. As you can see here at the bottom, they have flights to everywhere in the world, and it is easy to sign up. You get paid through PayPal, and you make up to 40% commissions per sale. Now to go ahead and sign up with this affiliate program, you can simply scroll all the way down. Once you get to Kayak.com, you're going to see an option here that you can go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate. But as you can see here on the sign up page, you are going to be in the travel niche, and you're gonna have to have visitors from certain countries around the world. They do not accept all of the different countries to sign up as affiliates, and you need to have a certain amount of monthly visitors to be able to join this particular affiliate program. Next we have this website called Yovada Handbook.com. Now, what I like about this one is that you do not have to be niche specific to be able to join. You can be in the yoga niche, the travel niche, the detox niche, or the food niche, and you will be able to join this particular affiliate program. Now, as you can see here, if we scroll down, you're going to see that they have all kinds of different retreats that you can promote on your blog as a travel blogger to different parts of the world. And this website pays out 40% commission per sale, and you get paid through direct deposits to your bank account every single month. Now, to be able to join the affiliate program, simply scroll all the way down, and this is where you're gonna see an option to become a Yovada affiliate. Go ahead and click on that. It's gonna take you to this page where you are going to get all of the information on how to become an affiliate with this website. So go ahead and check it out, guys. So last on my list, guys, is this website called Sailing Europe. Now, this is a website that actually allows people to rent different types of boats and yachts that they can go ahead and sail Europe with, and you get paid 50 euros per successful rental. And it is so easy to join. You get paid through PayPal, e-payments, and direct bank deposits. So this is perfect for people who have travel websites, travel blogs, and it is easy to promote with your type of audience. So once you get to this website, sailingeurope.com, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says affiliate program. It is going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and sign up with the affiliate program. Now, as you can see here, you get 50 euro per each successful sale, and you need to have a minimum of 100 euros get paid. So once you are satisfied and you want to sign up with this affiliate program, simply scroll to the top and click on sign up now to be able to sign up with Sailing Europe affiliate program. So there you go, guys. Those are the 6 top paying affiliate programs in the travel niche. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want more affiliate programs, check the first link in the description to get my affiliate programs handbook, where you're going to find all of the different affiliate programs available online that you can join to start making money with your blog and websites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.